Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 10th August. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see for 12th August weekly expiry contract, highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,300 strike followed by 16,400 strike. So for this series, 16,300 and 16,400 are likely to act as a strong resistance for the market. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest data in puts is currently at 16,200 strike followed by 16,000 strike. So for this weekly series, we are trading in a 400 point range of 16,400 to the upside and 16,000 to the downside. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open, which is 15,874.9 levels. And on the weekly time frame, we are currently under control of sellers as we are trading below the weekly open of 16,281. So straight away here you can see there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame. And if we see the daily time frame today, here you will see on Friday we formed an inside candlestick which we broke to the downside. However, we failed to cover this gap, which is currently at 16,147 levels. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios tomorrow. So there's a chance that market can potentially break today's highs and trade towards new highs, or it can potentially basically trade lower and fill this gap which was created on 3rd of August. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios, even though in terms of price structure we are currently making lower lows and lower highs. So for tomorrow we would look for buying opportunity above 16,258 levels for 16,320 levels, 16,358 levels and potentially 16,406 levels. And below 16,179, which is today's lows, we can potentially trade towards 16,141 level, 16,093 level and 16,038 level. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick on the daily time frame. Our first stock is Adani Ports. It is trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages at this point of time, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 717.1 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 694 levels. Our next stock is Axis Bank. It is trading above 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, so we'll look for buying opportunity above 757.5 level in Axis Bank. Our next stock is Bharti Airtel. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 612.8 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 597.45 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow based on inside candlestick pattern is Sun Pharma. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 793.1 level. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,258 we can trade towards 16,358 levels, and below 16,179 level we can trade towards 16,093 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 400 points, with 16,400 likely to act as a resistance and 16,000 is likely to act as a support based on the overall open interest data. And the max pain for this weekly expiry series has remained at 16,250 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. Stocks are Bharti Airtel, Axis Bank, Adani Ports and Sun Pharma. And inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look to establish a position if either side of the range breaks. That is, We'll look for buying opportunities if today's high break tomorrow, or we'll look for selling opportunity if today's low breaks tomorrow. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list on my blog, which I would be sharing on Twitter as well as WhatsApp. So do stay tuned for that. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.